You know, like a purple one in the video, one of the videos. Am I going the right way, boys?
He's a junkyard dog, bro.
This is a fucking ghetto bastard. This is a dog with steroids, bro. It is right, isn't it?
Yeah. Fucking listen to that. How many brakes is this?
I think it's about
450.
450, yeah.
Fucking hell.
The RS 4 is 420
Yeah.
there. And this is the RS 4. There is some big one.
No. Go right.
Right.
I would have got yeah, I know. That's alright. Shit. I thought you hadn't even opened it up then, were you?
There's a couple from your area see me doing this on
Mate, stick wheels on this one. Look at the brakes on it.
And that's another thing, the brakes on this are fucking
Yeah.
amazing.
Carbon fibre.
The ceramic.
They got to, so stop it, there's so much weight. So much power, bro.
I think Greg Bellamy said it. You know? In his end up. Oh, Ali, watch me see that. No. Ali, this is my mate, bro, yeah? Who I make money with, right, bro, yeah?
Yeah.
Let me tell you something, right, yeah?
You got a mental.
Listen, bro. Geezer, bro. He got that much, listen, bro. Now he got a SLR. He'll come down, bro. Like, yeah, come down here.
Fucking hell.